The price of anything is the amount of life you exchange for it. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be loved for what you are not. Every second you have on this planet is very precious, and it's your responsibility that you are happy. Lighten up, just enjoy life, smile more, laugh more, and don't get so worked up about things. Nobody can predict the future. The idea is to have a firm grasp of the present. Everything has its beauty, but not everyone sees it. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that's all. Life is like playing a violin in public and learning the instrument as one goes on. One way to get the most out of life is to look upon it as an adventure. Life is a mirror and will reflect back to the thinker what he thinks into it. If you love life, don't waste time, for time is what life is made up of. Life isn't matter of milestones, but moments. The only disability in life is a bad attitude. Life is simple, but we insist on making it complicated. What we think determines what happens to us, so if we want to change our lives, we need to stretch our minds. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you respond to it. No man is failure who enjoys life. The chief danger in life is that you may take too many precautions. Life is a tragedy when seen in close-up, but a comedy in long shot. It takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. There are three constants in life: change, choice, and principles. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. Too many people spend money they haven't earned, to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even heard, but must be felt with the heart. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. Know the true value of time, snatch, seize, and enjoy every moment of it. Don't wait around for someone else to tell your story. Do it yourself by whatever means necessary. The great thing in this world is not so much where you stand, as in what direction you are moving. Life is like a camera. Focus on what's important. Capture the good times. And if things don't work out, just take another shot. Speak less than you know. Have more than you show. Do not let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. Life is a gift, and it offers us the privilege, opportunity, and responsibility to give something back by becoming more. Life begins on the other side of despair. All life is an experiment. The more experiment you make, the better. Life is like a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Life is what happens while you are busy making other plans. Life is an life is an exciting business, and most exciting when it is lived for others. There is only one person who could ever make you happy, and that person is you. If there is solution for your problems, then there is no need to worry. If there is no solution for your problem, then there is no point to worry. The only medicine for suffering, crime, and all the other woes of mankind is wisdom. All the joy the world contains has come through wishing happiness for others. All the misery the world contains has come from wishing pleasure for oneself. Constant kindness can accomplish much. As the sun makes ice melt, kindness causes misunderstanding, mistrust, and hostility to evaporate. The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, worry about the future, or anticipate trouble, but to live in the present moment wisely and earnestly.